In this tutorial, we will learn how to debug our shell. There are several ways to do this. The method to use depends on the shell's maturity. For example, is the shell ready to be installed on Cloud Shell? Or do you need any information from Cloud Shell to debug your shell? If the shell is not yet ready to be installed on Cloud Shell, we will use the mock method. This method allows us to mimic the Cloud Shell server and the device we want to model. If the shell is ready to be installed or already installed on Cloud Shell, we can use the out-of-the-box debugging mechanism that comes with the shell, or a helper, which lets you debug the shell without having to install it on Cloud Shell every time you make an update. When running a shell command from within Cloud Shell, the Cloud Shell execution server creates a virtual environment for the shell and downloads the required Python dependencies automatically. However, since we will run the debug outside of Cloud Shell, you will also need to update your project's runtime with the shell's dependencies. We recommend creating a new virtual environment for the project and then downloading the shell's dependencies into the virtual environment. Using the PyCharm application, you can also do this by specifying the requirements file in the Python Integrated Tools settings page. This concludes our introduction to debugging shells. We hope you enjoyed it.